galaxy of us two. Nothing can break this view. Your touch is silver clue guiding me.
Like, how do I open this?
You zoomed in a little bit.
I did?
Oh, I think I'm getting there.
Just give her 5 years.
5 years later.
Okay.
What do you mean? Wait, I don't have nails. How is the help? What the?
You have rings.
What is the rings gonna do? That's for drip only? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, there's a thing right here.
Guess?
You gotta guess which
Oh,
one.
actually pink. It's just
Oh my god.
I think it's the pink one.
Oh wait, you understand what that is,
Oh,
Serena.
no clue. Oh my gosh! Is this a flower thing? You guys want to build it with me today?
Yeah, let's build it.
In the middle of the ocean?
Yes.
Ocean? Why did I say
In the middle of the ocean, yeah.
I'm gonna take a
We'll
boat.
be floating in the ocean.
Can I read this right now?
Imagine rewatching that and you start getting
Oh wait, I like that one. Your turn. I remember when we went to Kyoto, there was this like clover type bracelet you like. But I can't find it. But this one looks like
That's cute.
it's so cute.
What am I supposed to do?
Put it on.
When it is on. What the? No, it's not. Wait, how'd you do this? Wait, hold on. I'm struggling. I can't see without my glasses. Wait, I don't know if that's pop. Mika, get it!
Yay!
Thank you guys.
3 Filipino words.
I think it's a good thing that I didn't like end up wearing heels.
Yeah, I was gonna do that too.
You were gonna wear heels going to the beach?
There's like prejudice.
Oh my god.
Wow, guys. Vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Now I want ice cream. Why is there shade? Oh. Oh.
Oh wait, where's your portable charger?
Oh wait, it's on my bed. Hold up.
It is. I tried to check the weather. All it said was that tomorrow's gonna rain. That wasn't very helpful.
Thank you. Wait, come to
I don't think those were.
guys.
Oh, thank you.
Oh wait, when did we have these?
We also go.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, I forgot about that. I'm moving your
We
bag.
also got chocolate and things.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, guys. We gotta make space for all of our activities.
Wait, hold on.
My sister didn't tip hers once, so he took a picture of him eating the food on a bench, like 1 mile away from her, and he's like, "No tip, no food." I was thinking we work out since I took a protein bar. I really feel that protein coming through, you know?
Yeah, let's use Lena as a weight.
Yeah.
Your nails just.
No.
It's okay, guys. When you have issues. Oh my God, carabiners are so hard to take out.
I don't think my wrist is helping me.
I don't think asking Lena to open something is a good idea. Yo, let's go back to the first page. I like the first page better.
Okay, guys, I call this one.
That's the easiest one. That's so unfair. Ooh. Wow, guys, I know how to say fasten in a different language now. Fixer.
I don't
It says right there, fasten, and then a different language, and then fixer, and then a different language.
the first kiss.
Girl, that is-
That's a towel.
Alright.
She has so many towels. You just pulled out 2 towels. That's fact that she has 2 more is crazy. Still a towel. You got 2 of each? Yeah, you gotta keep that head warm. I'm clipping the thing you need. When you have money. Where's the woo green thing? Why lost? When you can be found.
Oh, let's make chocolate pretzels. Do you think the chocolate will melt in this?
Maybe not.
In what world will that melt?
In summer? In 2 months? In that world.
Is this supposed to be like this?
I don't know. Can we go back to the page? We need something to hold it.
Maybe. I think that's right.
Look, I did something.
I did that.
Mika did that! Good job, Mika!
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I know, I get it. I get it.
Wow, glaze her up, guys. Glaze her up. Where's that?
The clippers.
Yee. Do you know where the clippers went?
You, right here.
Ah, my goodness!
Hey, Mount Gosha.
I have a runny nose now.
I have tissues.
Of course you do.
Yay!
I feel like we went to the beach with Dora.
Lena, it's not gonna get warmer.
My face doesn't.
So we're just waiting for sunset.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Are
Wait,
these
let me
all
give
the
you the
parts?
tissues. Hold up.
Walk on, yo.
Walk on, yo. Walk.
This gives me like Friday Night Funkin' vibes.
Cover yourself.
Okay.
You know there's a hook.
Why do you say
Cover
okay
here.
and you don't even move?
You know there's more.
Oh wait, did you already use the glue?
No, I didn't use the glue. I just figured out how to do it without the glue.
Oh.
Bruh.
Does it stay?
Yeah, you didn't do it
Dad, do
properly.
you
that's
still
why.
need this?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, I brought the lighters. They're in my bag.
You have a lighter?
Yeah.
I have a candle thing there.
Thank goodness. I tried to get a lighter, but I couldn't find one.
Oh.
Oh, that is so sick.
Just call us if you need.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You know how to take this off later?
We'll figure it out.
Oh, I already have one of those at home. I got you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Alright. Stop. Eat that up, queen. Bye.
Lena, look.
Okay, bye. I thought that was Mika.
Bruh, I'm not wearing white. Your skirt's just
The way I had to check is crazy.
Wait, let's do karaoke.
That's what made you think of karaoke. For real. For.
Wait, the sand's kind of
Yummy.
okay.
Wait, why don't we lie down on the sand?
No, it's actually warmer than you put your hand there long enough.
Mother, I love my mother. Me crying over this is your new wallpaper. God, please, God,
It's getting
please.
warmer, I feel it. Do you feel it?
Why?
No.
Oh my God. Stay away from me. My gosh.
You turn evil.
Ah.
I fell again. Wait, I'll sing you a lullaby. Flower gleam and glow. Let your power shine.
Please stop my hair.
Make the clock reverse.
Clock reverse.
Turn back once was mine, one was mine.
Let's get down to business. To the beat.
Are you gonna use your phone in the photo, or are you gonna use a digital camera to take the photo? I think the camera would be
Other
better.
one works.
I'm going to strangle
What is that?
myself.
I think sand might be stuck. That's what.
Oh snap!
Oh, now you don't fall. Really?
Oh wait, that's cute.
Hurry, now take a photo of the photo of the photo of the video. I got you.
Take a photo of the photo of the photo of the photo.
I'm taking a photo of the photo of the video.
Cute.
Yeah.
That's a bet.
There's a boulder.
Okay, guys, I'm done crashing out. Let me try this again.
My uniform. Oh my god! The unicorn. I think I saw like 2 I liked, which is rare.
Got a very scary text from Yana. She just said, "I see your location. I'm coming." ...
Oh, sure. Is she actually?
I don't know. Why did your music stop? Oh, raging.
Who's holding that one?
Ugh. Oh, it smells like my sister in here.
I actually don't want to smoke
Or like the longest time I thought it was like a skunk.
No, when you smell that, that's not a skunk.
No, it's not apparently.
Why? What is it?
Evil. Humans are evil.
Why? What is that?
It's weed.
Oh, that's weird. That's why I smell skunk in the school sometimes.
Yeah.
I thought there was just a skunk.
No, it's like a car.
Tesla.
Tesla? No.
When you know, you know.
Yeah. I
Let's
don't
look
know.
for the next round of photos.
Oh wait.
Now you can look at the sun.
And the planes. Hold on.
Wait, let's do this one next.
Sure. Oh, we are not laying in the lake. Oh, you can see the plane.
Oh, I was like, that's a plane? Oh, that's a plane!
Oh my god, I thought you were gonna say Yanna's here.
Glasses make it seem warmer than it actually is.
Yeah, no one will know it's 9 degrees. Leatherfish.
I mean, I'm pretty sure they can kind of tell because you guys, like, your faces are red.
Is it really that red?
No,
We're
just
not
your
red.
nose. Your nose is... I don't even know if I pressed it. Imagine I didn't press it. Hold on. Okay.
What are you guys doing?
Ah. What time is it?
Hey, wave the umbrella.
Do you see someone carrying a blue umbrella?
No, not me. Hey, I need FaceTimer.
Oh yeah, FaceTime.
Where is she?
You hold the phone.
This is such a bad POV. Can you lift the cam, broskies? This desperate for warmth or? Should we just start burning paper?
Wait,
Nothing is said.
are you allowed to make a fire?
Yeah.
No, like with
You're
wood.
allowed to light a fire. Wait, how do we put it out later?
We put sand on it.
Alright!
Oh no. No, no. That's a tree, Lena. That's not a branch.
My god!
You're so happy.
Oh, yay. Thank you. Okay.
I think that's enough wood.
Where?
Would these be enough or should we get more?
More, I think.
Okay.
It's not gonna last long.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, I don't know about
Wait, whose phone is connected to the speakers?
Yeah?
It's Mika's.
Wait, come closer, come closer.
Is this a hot dog?
Hot dog, hot dog.
Oh, diggity dog. Oh, they'll go out.
Mine's going out.
You should have got like 5 feet ones.
Bruh.
That one would probably last longer.
Hi guys, I'm so strong. Now do squats, go. 1, 2. You're already shaking. I don't want this anymore. Okay, get on. Yeah! Ah! 1. Oh my god, I almost fell forward.
2, 3, 4. Ah! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo!
Touch.
It's so romantic.
It's too dark. Let's see a little bit. Is this